Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another unboxing. So shout out to Jakku, because Jakku decided to actually send me out a pair of wireless earbuds. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at them. But without any further ado, make sure you guys stay locked in, and I'll see you right after this. Later, crew. Peace. Okay, guys. So we do have the Jakku earbuds. So these are wireless stereo earbuds. Right here it says the stereo high fidelity music player. It also does say music, videos, calls. It also says music down there as well. Ultra mini, TWS, long battery life, and then it has the phone symbol there. It does say here right here on the side, Jakku T2's earbuds. The true wireless experience. Enjoy totally wireless active lifestyle with secure fit and superior sound. Then you can see right here on the back, it does say it's actually compatible with these three devices: mobile phones, computers, and tablets. You also do see that you get one charging box, one micro USB cable, three it says right here the X3 piece right here, so you get that, and you get a user manual. So let's just go ahead and cut this thing open for the very first time. We're gonna go ahead and test these earbuds out in some more detail, try them out, test out the sound quality and everything like that. But make sure you guys stay locked in, because we're gonna make sure I check out all of that so you can see how the sound quality. So I just ripped off the plastic. So now let's just go ahead and take a look. Wow. So you can see this is like a wooden texture. So that's actually pretty dope. So you could feel right here, it's a really nice texture. Actually feels like it's some type of really nice material right there. I'm not sure what material that is, but let's go ahead and slide this out. So let me see which way this slides out. Okay, so that goes that way. Boom. So yeah, this thing does look really dope. That's just the cover. This is the box. It says Jakku. So let me see how this. Okay, so we're gonna open this up like this, pop that right open, and we're actually greeted with the user manual. So let's go ahead and see what we have in here. You can see right here it does tell you product overview. Now let's take a look at the size of this thing, because the size of this thing is definitely pretty good, and it's going to fit in your pocket very well. And the design of this thing looks really good. It has this metal at the top with like this little opening, which is actually like sealed shut, and then it has the logo right here, or the text Jakku, and then you can see it has LEDs right here. And this thing actually has a armband attached to it, which I've never seen before, and it's like this premium leather material, which is sick. So I'm not sure, you could probably like put this around your like clip on your bag or something like that. Then you can see on the back of here it says the waterproof rating is IPX5, 5 volts 1 amp charging case with 400 milliamp hours. So this is definitely pretty sick. Let's open this up, and then you are greeted with left and right. So that's definitely pretty cool. Let's just close this right here. And is there any buttons on here? You do get the USB port right there, but there's no actual like buttons on here. Another compartment. So let's pull that up, pop this open, and see what is actually inside of here. And we are getting the micro USB cable along with extra tips. So you get small, medium, and large. So that's definitely pretty sick. And this cable is actually textured of like has like this gator skin leather type feel. So you could see like the vibe it's giving you is just like everything is like leather and texture. Okay, so I read the user manual, and it was saying that when this thing flashes 1 time, that means it's at 25%. When it flashes 2 times, it's at 50%. When it flashes 3 times, it's at 75%, which it's doing right now. And when it's flashing 4 times, that means it's at 100%. So we definitely have enough juice inside of here. So I definitely like this design right here. This is different. But we're gonna go ahead and give these a quick test, and make sure you guys stay locked in. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Jakku T2S stereo earphone. It's an in-ear bud built-in mic with IPX5 waterproof feature. It is premium sound with a charging case, which does look really premium in a polished black color. It does offer true wireless sound with Bluetooth 5.0. You are getting and receiving a really good stable connection. It does give you up to 33 feet without obscurity or anything like that. You are getting the ability to wirelessly connect both or simultaneously or individually. I'll show you that later in some more detail. But I definitely look forward to that feature. Let's say you're with your girlfriend and she wants to hear your music. You can definitely like either give one to her or pair it up and let her do it on her own device. But you can see like the built-in in-ear feature holds really well. They didn't feel like they were going to come out in any way possible, and everything was really, really premium. When I touched them, it did have this touch control button. I was really surprised just to see that it was actually touch control. When you see that one ear blinking, that means they're both paired to each other automatically. When I touched it right there and they're both blinking, that meant that you can individually pair them. But to get it back to pairing them together at the same time, you just double tap and the one ear will actually disengage, and now you can actually go ahead and pair it to your device. And that's how you would actually get them both to work simultaneously. But since we are using the microphone from the T2S stereo earbud, tell me how it sounds down below in the comment section. And also, this thing does come with the HD rendering technology, which is a high quality chip and DSP equipped for audio processing and hi-fi stereo sound. It also does come with a feature that I'm actually looking forward to, which is the IPX5 waterproof system with a secure fit. So if it does come to like exercising in the rain or in heavy sweat or anything like that, it's great for running or outdoors. Basically, this thing will be able to like obtain rain on it. So basically, I will be showering with these things, just to put that out there. But you do get the Google Assistant when you actually hold it for like 3 seconds, which is definitely pretty cool. When you double tap and each side, so the left one goes forward, the right one goes back, it sounds really good. You have to control the volume with your device, but you could control the songs going back and forward, which is definitely pretty cool. And just tap once to pause it, but you could double tap again to actually make it go backward. And the other thing is that the T2S actually will appear on your phone under the Bluetooth. And when it's blinking on both, that means that they'll both be showing up left and right ear. When you just double tap one more time, it'll actually pair. You'll just show one and it'll pair both at the same time. Now, I didn't notice any playback or like any lag when it came from lip to mouth. Basically, like when you were looking at the device and you looked at the lips, they were like basically 100% in sync. So also the charging of battery was up to 1.5 hours. It did come with a 500 milliamp hour case, which charges the buds 4 times, and the case will actually charge those things 4 more times, so you do get at least 5 hours of continuous music play at a single time. So you won't run out while you're on the go and everything like that. Hi, can I have a order for delivery? Can I get French fries and chicken wing and shrimp roll and a Sprite and a water? I think that's it, yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Now, when it came to doing phone calls, I could only hear out of the right ear, and the left one went silent.
But you know, you could end the phone call by tapping on the right ear, which is pretty cool. But you know, I definitely did enjoy these. They had really good sound, battery life, and quality. I could definitely say that these are worth the pickup if you actually are looking at some really nice truly wireless earbuds and you want to wear them in the rain or working out, or just have some really nice deep sounds and high quality lows and some really good mids as well. But thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Serrano, and I'll see you later.